Okay, sports fans, here we are in Galveston, West End. And it is the 6th of August 2026. Before you, a Giyi hydraulic trencher. Specs show a 39-inch bar. I don't know if you can dig straight down, but anyway, it is for a mini skid steer adapter plate, not a maxi and not a midi. We just had a guy bring his midi and it did not fit. He didn't know, I didn't realize he had a midi. Anyway, works fine. This is the first use, just to test it out. Does have the 3 hose, but it does operate on 2 hose. I guess if you are gentle with it, shouldn't be a problem as far as having a case drain connected or not. But if you're wild, it might be an issue. The skid steer is for sale as well. I've been using it off and on. I think it's up to like 12 hours. Price reduced down to $34.50 now. I think it's still on Facebook. All right, I'm going to start it up. As you can see, it does indeed dig. One track is weaker when it is operating, but it still tracks decently to go backwards with it. Worst case scenario, you gotta shut down the trencher, or maybe you can reduce the flow a little bit. Now, it's all or nothing. All right, signing off from Galveston, mini skid steer trencher.